Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1988 560SL. Extremely clean example, beautiful white with blue pinstriping and blue interior. If you guys want to find out full details on this ride, click on the link below. Also, throughout the video, if you want to skip to a different section, so if you want to see the driving section, just look below, it will have it broken down for you. Let's do this test drive. Let's start off with an overall condition report. I would rate this one an 8 out of 10. That's an 80% out of 100. The reason for that, it's a 1988 and there are minor imperfections throughout. So you have small scratches, like there's a small scratch right here, little door dings, etc. In regards to the overall condition, mechanical condition, runs and drives as it should. Interior is very nice and it does have ice cold air. It's powered by a 5-liter power plant and it shows very well. The tires are from 2016, but they have plenty of tread, so if you're gonna drive this on a long journey, I would recommend replacing them. Driver's side is very clean. I love the blue pinstriping because it matches the interior. Your white pagoda top comes off easily, and we have the tool in the glove box. So you have a soft top that comes up, and if you want to see a full gallery of underside shots, interior shots, engine bay, the whole 9 yards, click on the link below. All of your rubbers are very nice and clean, so this was definitely garage kept. As I open up the driver's side door, you're gonna see that the placard is still in place and it shows very well. Interior, we're gonna go over that later on. Just minor wear on the driver's side bolster, and on the bottom section, overall very, very clean. Steering wheel is very nice too. Wheels and tires are in great shape, so the wheels look like they've been refinished and they show very well. Rear bumper section is very nice. Your chrome on the front and the rear shows very well. I think there's a small dimple just on the front. All of your glass goes up and down, so your driver's side and your passenger side glass goes up and down. I'm actually getting blinded by the chrome here because it's so bright in Florida. It's only 9:30 today, and it's 95 degrees. It's crazy. Underneath it, so if you click on the link below, you'll see underneath shots. Trunk opens up nicely, and all of your bright work looks great. Trunk is very clean and tidy. Closes nicely too. Passenger side's the same as the driver's side. There's no dimples on the side panels. Body lines are extremely straight. Once again, the wheels are in great shape over here too. Doors open up nicely, and you can see the passenger side is in very good condition. Front passenger side fender is very nice, and I want you guys to see the chrome up here. So the little dimple I was talking about is just right on top right here. Chrome shows very, very well. Let's jump inside and show you the interior, then we'll pop the hood and take it for a test drive. Interior is extremely clean. Your steering wheel is very nice. All of your gauges work as they should. AC is cold. Your mats are in good condition. Underneath the mats show very well. All of your bright work around here is very, very nice. Seat belts are black. The pagoda top is going to stay on because it's super hot and I want to utilize the air condition. The top of the pagoda top is very clean. Dash does not have any bubbling or cracking. Center section is nice and clean. Just a small little crack right here, which we'll go over more when we do the test drive. Glove box has touch-up fuses and the tool to remove the top. You do have a very, very clean center section, armrest, and the rear seats. There are no rear seats because this is a cruiser. Let's pop the hood. Extremely clean engine bay. Looks like they took all the paint off of the airbox itself. Shows nicely. We did not detail this engine bay. This is exactly how we got it. You have power brakes, cold air, power steering, the list goes on. Your insulation up here is very nice, and this is a very clean example. So if you guys are looking for a 560SL, look at our history of selling these. We like to pick clean ones so you guys get a good ride to take on your journey. I would love to see someone buy this, maybe put a set of tires on it and drive it to California. That'd be so neat. You still have your placard right here. All of your hoses are supple. All of the colors, so that the brake fluid looks clean. It's not really, really dark. Your coolant is clean, and then you have your windshield wiper reservoir, which is very nice as well. I don't see oil slung everywhere. Just a nice example. What do you say we jump in it and take it for a test drive? All right, we're jumping on to the road here. We're gonna take it for a test drive. Our power antenna does operate. Our radio operates. Sounds good. All of my gauges are working. The tachometer is working, speedometer is working, oil pressure, fuel gauge, the whole 9 yards. Horn works, our windows operate, and guess what? The windshield wipers work too because it started to drizzle as we pulled it out. Interior is very comfortable, brakes feel good, they're not spongy. We're gonna jump on to Marina Mile, and then I'll test out the cruise control so you can see that as well. Mirrors work, so the power passenger window works, or mirror works, and then you have your manual mirror here. Lights operate. So we got the lights on. We'll test out the acceleration once we get on to Marina Mile. Your lights here operate too. Air conditions blowing cold. It feels like it's like 65 degrees at the minimum. I'm not sweating. It's super hot here in Florida. You do have the ability to change it over to feet, which I just clicked the button and I can feel it hitting my feet now. You also have the ability to change it to a lower mode or auto, which we can leave it on auto mode. Steering feels good. It's not loose. The only noise you're going to hear is the seat. I have it back a little bit. We're going to jump on a Marina Mile. We'll get it to speed. I'll get it to around 55 miles an hour so you can see it cruising. And then you guys can decide if this is something that you want to put in your garage. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Our temp gauge is working right here. I love it. Armrest moves. Rear section is nice and clean. Ashtray's clean. We're jumping on to Marina Mile right now, we are centrally located 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale Airport. Nice and smooth. It's shifting very smooth. Our economy gauge, I don't see it operating right now, so that's the one that runs off a vacuum. Engine is very, very smooth, and it doesn't have any hesitation. You can give it gas, and it feels good. We'll test out the cruise control, so we'll set it. I think there's a button we have to push for cruise control. I don't remember how it was. No, so the cruise control is not operating. All of our other gauges are working as they should. So the only two things I'm noticing is the economy gauge is not operating and the cruise control is not operating. But very smooth. Steering is tight, feels good. Try the lights again so you can see them. Let me try again to set this. Oh, the cruise control does work. Cruise control works. I was pulling it the wrong direction. That's perfect. What we're going to do is we're going to turn around up here. I'll accelerate so you can see it go through the gears, and you guys can decide if this is something you want to put in your garage. But this is a nice cruiser. Feels good. I have no complaints. This is a turnkey ride, so if you guys want to buy something, fly in and drive it home, this would definitely be it. I apologize for the rain outside. That's probably ruining our shots here. Brakes have no pulsation either. All right, let's test out the acceleration. Here we go. Nice shift. It's pretty peppy for what it is. Feels really, really good. We're about to hit some major rain here. So once again, if you guys have any questions, give us a call. 954-363-2261. We're gonna pass the bumps right now, and then we'll get you guys some beautiful artistic shots. So once again, if you guys enjoy this content, if you enjoy seeing beautiful rides like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Turn signal. Got the turn signal on. It's working on the dash as well. We have no check engine lights. Good ride. Good ride. And actually quite peppy for what it is. So we rolled into it in second gear and it pulled all the way up to 65, 70 miles an hour. Probably 65. Taking the corner here. Nice and smooth. Our temperature's good. Fuel gauge is working. We're about to go over the bumps right now so you guys can see how the suspension reacts. Here comes the first set. No issues at all. Here's a big dip. Not bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm out of here. See you later. Man, it's fast.